Dímelo mente, Marcucci here bringing another video, and today we're going to be talking about Walrus. Currently right now, ranked number 99 in terms of market cap. We haven't really talked about a coin in the top 100 in a long time, but I felt I had to do this because I have really never heard about it, and I wanted to see what they were doing. Basically, how I can best explain it, they are a decentralized file storage protocol similar to what Filecoin is. And if you haven't seen what Filecoin did previous cycle, I'm just gonna show you real quick. It went all the way up to almost $200. Really insane. Really insane. It is down now 99% from its all-time high, which is really unfortunate. But yeah, hopefully Walrus doesn't go through that same problem. Anyways, it's only down 52% from its all-time high. From the all-time low, it is up 16%. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you real quick some of the token unlocks. A lot of it is still locked, right? A lot of it is still locked, and you know, unlocks happen every 31st or the last day of every month, and then next year is going to be a huge unlock of almost 13%, so February 28th 2026. So keep that in mind. Anyways, there's a short quick little fun video I'm going to show you about what Walrus is. So yeah, their mainnet is live. We're gonna be exploring that in a little bit. But I wanted to say they have almost 60 million views, and this came out like you know a month. March 27th. So like 3 months ago. But wow, still like 60 million views is actually insane. I'm also just gonna show you they have 480,000 followers. So yeah, so many people saw that. So many people saw that. So you know, hopefully they do well. We could see here too where the reserves went, or the tokenomics. So 43 went to community reserves, 10% to investors, 30% to core contributors, 10% to subsidies, and 10% to Walrus user drop. So. The subsidies is unlocked linear over 15 months, and everything else is pretty standard. Core contributors 20%, early contributors 4-year unlock plus a 1-year cliff, and 10% to Misten Labs with a 15 million wall available at launch with linear unlocks until March 2030. So I think that's pretty much it. We could see here this is the release schedule. So I'll always like pause the video and take a Snapchat if you want. Not a Snapchat, snapshot. Sorry. Now, this is a website, you know, looks pretty good. They have some partners here. Me personally, I have never seen a lot of these except Decrypt. I've seen Decrypt, but all the other ones, really never seen them. The website, you know, is okay. I'm not going to say it's the best, but what I do want to say is the apps that are being built and basically the projects that are happening on Walrus. So is 3DOS, a global 3D printing network; Claynosaurus, a Web3 animation and entertainment brand; Decrypt Media, a leading Web3 media company; Linera, a L1 blockchain for hyper-connected real-time applications; Talus, a next-gen platform for on-chain agents; and Tusky, a decentralized file storing platform. So definitely check this out. This was the one that intrigued me the most. So the DPIN beta is here. I don't think it's out just yet, but yeah, 3D printing network across the world. It's pretty insane. I'm not gonna, you know, watch the video, but I'll obviously leave all these stuff down in the description down below. We can see here the Walrus scan. They have 102,000 accounts, which is pretty good for literally just starting out. Total blobs, 14 million, which is pretty good too. Active projects, 66 active projects out of 144. So that we want to see. We want to see a lot of projects, a lot of applications being built on all these different platforms. We can see the projects here. I didn't go through all of them, obviously, and you know, Pudgy Penguins I don't like when projects just take something that's already there and put it as them, but it is what it is. But yeah, at least I have quite a decent amount of projects out there. And the last thing I'm gonna make mention is they have a lot of core developers. Like they have 75 core developers, which is actually insane. And they had 140 in February. So a lot of core developers. And if we see here too, daily active addresses, they had at the peak in April, they have 6.5K, but right now they only have 205. So not really good. I will say though, fees too, like they collect a lot of fees. Like they have 47,000, 77,000, 141,000. So they're collecting quite a few in fees. I just don't understand why there's like a huge gap. So April 22nd, they had 77,000, and then all the way they had zero all the way until May 6th. So why that is, if someone can explain it to me, please let me know. Then the total staked here, quite a few amount of dollars. Their fees, I don't know. Really, I don't know what to think about this project. I think it could be like Filecoin. It could definitely blow up. Obviously, Sui, a lot of people are talking about Sui, and this is one of those protocols that as Sui goes up, this one might go up as well. I don't know. Decentralized storage is a really unique use case and probably is going to be competing with like Google Cloud, Azure, AWS, all that other stuff. So hopefully they could, increase. Me personally, I'm not investing in this. I'm not going to invest in this, but, just wanted to get the information out for you guys and girls. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.